Embark on a journey towards unprecedented efficiency and heightened earning potential as we delve into the realm of streamlined legal work with ChatGPT's AI drafting assistance. Discover how this cutting-edge technology is transforming the way legal documents are crafted, offering a powerful tool to enhance your productivity and elevate your earning game. Unlocking efficiency with AI drafting. In a world where time is money, efficiency becomes paramount. ChatGPT steps in as your AI drafting ally, providing a seamless experience that expedites the legal document creation process. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, you can navigate the complexities of legal work more swiftly, allowing you to take on more clients and increase your earning capacity. Precision and accuracy. Redefined bid farewell to the painstaking task of scrutinizing every detail in your legal documents. ChatGPT's AI drafting assistance ensures a new standard of precision and accuracy. With its ability to comprehend intricate legal language and context, errors become a relic of the past. Elevate the quality of your work, gain the trust of your clients, and watch as your reputation and earning potential soar. 24/7 availability, your virtual legal assistant. Imagine having a legal assistant available at any hour, tirelessly working alongside you. ChatGPT makes this a reality. This AI tool is at your disposal whenever you need it, erasing the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 workday. Maximize your billable hours, accommodate urgent requests, and let your clients experience the benefits of prompt legal service. A surefire strategy to amplify your earnings, adapting to legal nuances. Legal language is nuanced and ever-evolving, demanding a keen understanding of context and precedents. ChatGPT's AI drafting assistance not only comprehends legal intricacies, but also adapts to the evolving landscape. Stay ahead of the curve, confidently navigate changes in legislation, and position yourself as a legal expert, ready to take on high-value cases that contributed to your wealth-building journey. Enhancing client relations. Client satisfaction is the cornerstone of a thriving legal practice. ChatGPT aids in creating documents that not only meet, but exceed client expectations. Tailor your approach based on individual client needs, demonstrating a level of personalization that fosters lasting relationships. Satisfied clients become repeat clients, ensuring a steady influx of work that directly impacts your bottom line. Breaking down geographic barriers. The legal landscape is no longer confined by geographic boundaries. With ChatGPT's AI drafting assistance, you can seamlessly engage with clients from around the globe. Overcome the challenges of diverse legal systems and broaden your client base. As you extend your reach, you open up new avenues for wealth accumulation, making every interaction a step towards financial growth. Data security, a top priority. Entrusting AI with legal document drafting necessitates robust security measures. ChatGPT prioritizes the confidentiality and security of your data. Benefit from cutting-edge encryption and protective protocols, ensuring that your clients' sensitive information remains safeguarded. By delegating repetitive drafting tasks to this AI assistant, you free up substantial time for strategic thinking, client interaction, and business development. This strategic resource allocation doesn't just optimize your workflow, it positions you to take on high-value cases, network with industry influencers, and proactively shape the direction of your legal practice. Join the AI revolution. As we conclude this exploration into the realm of boosting your earning potential through streamlined legal work with ChatGPT's AI drafting assistance, remember, this is just the beginning. Stay abreast of the latest insights, tips, and innovations by subscribing to our channel. Don't miss out on the next wave of opportunities that will further propel your legal career and financial success. Hit that subscribe button now and embark on a journey towards a more prosperous future. Your success awaits.